Hey, this is Leroy Kane for Around My House, and I wanted to do a review of the Kreg Rip Cut Circular Saw Edge Guide. This is the 24-inch version. I think they make a few other lengths. 24 was good for me, so I got that one. This is somewhat of a lightweight tool, so if you're a professional, you're probably going to want something different. But for DIYers, I think this is pretty good. I've already cut some plywood up with it, and it's worked pretty good for me. So as you can see, I have the saw attached. So the saw attaches by setting into this base right here, and you have these little swing arms that you loosen up and swing into position, and then you tighten them down, and it holds in there pretty good. There's a line right here to line up with the saw. However, I think it's slightly off, and it probably is going to depend on which saw you're using. Might vary a little bit. So you should still measure and mark your wood and make sure that the blade is starting in the right spot on the wood. So if you're doing like 18 inches, you might be 16th or so off, and you're going to want to make sure you compensate for that. So basically, you lift this thing, and this will slide. Slide, and then you tighten it back down. So we're going to do a cut with it. So this particular plywood, I want to cut in half and take a piece off the top. So we're going to do that. Alright, so that's the Kreg Rip Cut Circular Saw Edge Guide. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.